free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing? Ooh, this song of freedom, 'cause all I ever had,
redemption song, redemption song,
redemption song, redemption song. So can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, for none of that can stop the time. For how long will they kill our prophets while we stand aside and Facebook? Some say that it's just a part of it, that we've got to fulfill the book. But would you help me to sing these songs of freedom? For all I ever hear are